Hello everyone, Adam from Zorbit's Math Adventure again. Just wanted to give you a quick video on how you can turn like a simple coloring sheet even to help develop some number sense. So I'm here with Emily, who's actually pre-K, but this would work excellent with kindergarten, and everybody loves coloring, so there's no reason this can't be helpful. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just color this sheet, and we're gonna use dice to help us color. So Emily, do you wanna pick up a dice and roll it and see how many things we have to color? What'd you get? One, okay, so you're gonna color, how many things are you gonna color? One thing, okay, excellent. So you can see, even if we just choose a very simple thing and add a dice roll, we're helping develop number sense. We're helping develop skills of subitizing, recognizing the numbers, counting, and when she's finished this whole sheet, go ahead and keep rolling, sweetie. When she's finished this whole sheet, we can ask, how many things did you color blue? How many things did you color red all together? And really higher level number sense. So anything can be turned into math in a fun and engaging way. What do you have to color next? 5 things. What color are you gonna go? Red, okay.
It's pink.
Oh, we're gonna go with pink, okay. So anything can help you develop some math skills, but you can do these fairly easy at home on your own.